Welcome to another PRReach.com video news release. In today's news, new Dinosaur Explorer Kit with tons of creative playtime launches on Amazon. Ivy Step is pleased to announce the official launch of its Dinosaur Explorer Kit on Amazon. A seasoned manufacturer of developmental toys for kids, Ivy Step designed this product to encourage today's children to get off their electronic gadgets and spend quality time playing outside. Each set of the product comes with 2 dinosaur species, the Tyrannosaurus rex and Stegosaurus, binoculars, an oversized magnifying glass, a crank flashlight, a prehistoric crocodile watch, and a carrying bag. This educational toy is available on Amazon for $16.95. According to the brand, the Explorer Kit for boys and girls provides a complete dinosaur package that offers hours of creative playtime for children, allowing them to explore and discover the world of dinosaurs like never before. Ergonomically designed and child-safe binoculars help them to spot dinosaurs in the backyard. The prehistoric crocodile watch completes their dinosaur experience by incorporating learning while having fun. Our Explorer Kit encourages kids to become modern-day dinosaur explorers, as the toy comes with 2 dinosaurs. It allows kids to role-play and interact with each other, and this stimulates their brain development, said Peter Nobbs, a spokesperson for Ivy Step. Getting young boys and girls off the iPads and back playing outside is also a great way to develop creativity, social skills, and independence. Those interested in learning more about Ivy Step's new Explorer Kit can visit its official website or Amazon storefront. And to learn more about this video news release, visit prreach.com.